All right, so week 56 is the start of week 57 now. It's 9:45 a.m. Start of week 57. It's Monday right now. And yeah, this week was like always sunny. Anyways, let's just start the video. So week 56, I just watched my week 55 video, and that week I remember it's like I was just going back down. Everything was going back down. Clients ghosting me and stuff like that. And that wasn't the only problem. Like the whole week I was just lost. But this week 56, it changed a lot, and it was a very long week. I don't even remember what happened on Monday or Tuesday or something like that. So yeah. But there was this period like in the week, I think it was on Wednesday. Sorry. I think it was on Wednesday, like where I was going to a meeting. And then as I was going to the meeting, I was like so bored. So I looked at my phone, and then I read my diaries, like how my day went and stuff like that. Usually like every single day I read my diaries, I write what happened yesterday and stuff like that. That's how I am able to make these videos. So I was reading my diaries when I was going to that meeting, and then I realized something. It's just like it sounded like an excuse. It was I read something like today I woke up at 8:30 a.m. and I didn't wake up at 7:30 a.m. That's my routine time. I didn't wake up at 7:30 a.m. maybe because the alarm didn't go off. And it just sounded like an excuse. Like I was so pissed reading that. And like that day, a successful meeting as well. Like I was very, very annoyed by reading that. And I was very like sad at myself. So what I did, I just made, what do you call it? I didn't make a new routine, but I made a new rule. I made a new rule like every single time, like I wake up at 7:30 a.m. No negotiations, like 30 push-ups. I got it on the wall. I wake up from the bed and I instantly read that 30 push-ups, and then wash my face with cold water, and then turn off my alarm. That's the new goal, and I've been doing that for the past 3 days. So that's good. That's handled. Yeah, like it was just like this. Like the whole week, started realizing that my discipline is getting weak. Because like when I was back in Bangladesh, I think around like week week 27 I was lost, but in the week 20s and week 30s, like I was struggling with loss. I was falling into loss more often than I am now. But like back then I was so aware, like so aware of my surroundings. Yeah, right now I have real responsibilities, I have clients and stuff like that. But like the discipline was getting weak. I started having a little bit of sugar, like just a week 20, week 30, my like that self, even if he had a little bit of sugar, like say it was a ketchup, just a little bit of ketchup, then I was like, shit. I used to spit it back out, or if I swallowed it accidentally, I used to still count it as I failed. I failed the what do you call it, sugar challenge. But now it's like I put a little bit of ketchup on my what do you call it, sandwich or something like that, and then I justify it. I say something like, "Yeah, this is calm. It's not that much sugar." Whereas the old me would have like completely said fail. But now I just justify it and I say pass. Like it's like I was really pissed at myself with that. Yeah, the business is growing and stuff like that. I'm not fantasizing about going back to my week 30 self, no. But yeah, that really hit me this week. I am changing. Like for example, the morning I'm really proud of it. And yeah, really. Another problem was like this week, uh I'm rambling on about my problems, but like another problem this week was like Andrew Tate, he taught me to say something like every single day when you wake up, you should say something like, let's see how good life can get. I started saying that every single day, and ever since I've been saying that, it was like my day was just bad. I don't know why. So I switched that word like every single day when I wake up, I say something like whatever um I will control whatever comes my way. Yeah. That's why I say it. That's why I say it instead of saying what he said. And he also taught me another thing. He taught me like try to remember something good that happened yesterday, and I do that. So yeah, really. Anyways, other than that, that's a problem sorted. The relapse, the loss, the sugar, it wasn't that bad as week 55. Even right now, I feel like I'm. Anyways, whatever. Like, what do I like? The sugar and the loss. Um, it wasn't bad. I'm sorry, guys. I feel like I'm giving an excuse or something. It sounds like an excuse. So yeah, that's why. Like, anyways, yeah, whatever. Like, sugar and lust, it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. It was controlled. Yeah, I did fall into relapse like when the work got a bit too much and stuff like that. But yeah, the good thing about this week was successful meetings, clients, high ticket clients, the business is growing, stuff like that. I got Claude Code for free. Like I was so happy. Like it did hours of my work without what do you call it, me touching a thing, and I was really happy with that. And yeah, really like the business life is going. The discipline life is like trying to go back down, but I'm trying to keep it the baseline. I'm not trying. Trying is not enough, but like you get what I'm trying to say. So I have a goal for me for my this week 57. At the end of week 57, I want to wake up consistently on time, and I don't want to, I want to go like I want to be more aware. I always overanalyze, but that's fine. But like I want to be aware in my thing, like my discipline basically. I don't want to lose myself for a business. Like yesterday, Sunday, it was just so much work. Like the clients, like this AI is not powerful enough to help me in this work. But like I had to do the work manually, sit down on my laptop, like right here, as I'm sitting down on my laptop, like typing, clicking the right buttons and stuff like that, like for 12 hours straight. It was like even I'm still fatigued from yesterday. So yeah, anyways, this video is going on for too long. I'll see you guys at the end of week 57.